Good afternoon, everybody. It's your boy Silent coming to you live from the Bronx. And right now we are crossing the bridge to head into City Island. And to your far left, in the distance, right there is Orchard Beach, the Bronx borough's only public beach. Welcome to City Island, settled in 1685. So this, obviously, as you can see, is a little sitting area by the water. You can sit on the bench with people, family, relax, enjoy the view of the water, the boats. That's the bridge we just walked over. I like these little townhouses. Here's a church, St. Mary, Star of the Sea. This is Seashore Waterfront Deck, which is one of the many seafood restaurants here in City Island. So as you can see already as we're walking through, City Island is famous for its numerous seafood restaurants, as well as antique stores, which we'll see more of once we keep walking. To my knowledge, there's actually only one supermarket here on City Island, one bank, and a hardware store, and a few other small shops, which basically line both sides of the avenue. This is a very famous bait and tackle shop, Jack's. It's like an old school family run business. They were actually established since 1945. So they've been here for quite some time. This is one of my favorite restaurants, Seafood City. Has a nice little outdoor area in the back. And actually, we're gonna go in and get some food, because I'm hungry. Now, Seafood City, as they say, is the first restaurant on City Island that's fun for the whole family. Not only has the most delicious, affordable seafood, but upon entering, you'll see that it has rides, an arcade, a subway station. Not really, this is just the restroom, but it's really cool. Looks like the Bronx. And this is the arcade section, games. So you can see why I like this place, because you can just play some games, order some food, some good food, and then come outside and relax and have a nice view of the water, and more rides for the kids, younger kids. Show you the view. So this is the entire outdoor area, and there's some cool murals over there to take pictures in front of. I'll show you in a minute. So as you can see, the view here is pretty epic. I mean, don't get no better than this. And the food is really, really affordable. I already know what I'm getting. Shrimp and french fries. Look at this deliciousness. Alright guys, well I'm gonna eat and then we'll continue with the tour when I finish. So as you see, it's getting crowded. And I just finished my food. So we're gonna continue on with the tour of City Island. By the way, to get to City Island, you can take the 6 train to Pelham Bay Park and take the 40-minute walk if you're into walking. Or if not, you can take the 29 bus down to City Island Avenue. And of course, you can take a cab or Uber, or if you're driving. Dominic's Market. I believe this is, oh look, Seatown. I don't know, so is it a mix? But if I'm not mistaken, this is the only supermarket in City Island. This is a nice little shack. These look like picture perfect homes. They don't even look real. I wanted to show you this mural painting over here because it's really dope. Shows the New York City skyline. American flag. Ambulance. Angels crying over firemen and policemen. Oh, the Twin Towers. I just realized. Wow. All Americans share the tragic losses of September 11, 2001. We stand upright now and always, taller, stronger, prouder. We will not be brought down. Our city skyline is emptier and sadder, but still beautiful. It will be rebuilt. God bless those who lost their lives and those who mourned them. This is the Samuel Pell House. And the Samuel Pell House is a Victorian-style landmark built around 1876 for a wealthy oysterman. Now this is an infamous place. The Lickety Split Ice Cream Parlor, which as you can see is housed in a tiny wood cottage that looks like it's straight out of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs or some kind of storybook place. And you can get all kind of ice cream flavors from pistachio to rum raisin. It's a pretty iconic place. Been here for years. I got the classic vanilla with rainbow sprinkles. This is Hawkins Park. It's a little park area for you to sit, relax. Kids can play around, or you can just sit and enjoy the ice cream that you just got from Lickety Split. This is actually an iconic thrift shop right here that we're passing. They have all kind of items here that you can buy. And actually on the side, as you can see, they have a community fridge. It's really cool. So dope. These things are really nice. Like if you decorate your house with certain antique items, These are cool. And it's only $25. They got 2 of them. Wow, do you remember these pop snappers? You just throw them on the floor and they will pop and snap. Oh my god, these are the old school costumes that would have the plastic mask. I know people who are really die-hard dollhouse collectors, and these are some cool items for if that's what you're collecting, you know, if that's a hobby of yours. The cool thing about these drawers is they have like different like this says backstage passes. Oh, that is so dope. Wow, I'm glad I keep all my backstage passes. This says party decor, soda cap, Pez. So many things. Vintage keys. Patches. Yo, this is so awesome. At least for me, this is cool. Even if I don't want this stuff, it's just cool to see it. Yo-yos. McDonald's toys from the 90s. Wow, I'm sure there's so many people who collect these too. But you get the idea. It's pretty cool. Alright, so these are the vinyls I'm gonna get. Johnny Mathis and Denise Williams. That's what friends are for. They're $1. I mean, come on. Jeffrey Osborne. Luther Vandross. And Patti LaBelle.
Most people who come to City Island go to the restaurants and then leave. And they just start walking around, so. But yeah, we're 11 to 7 every day but Tuesday.
And right now we are approaching the infamous Sammy's original shrimp box. And across the street is Sammy's fish box. I've been to both, and they're good, and they're legendary. Let's go to the fish box so you can see that. And it was in 1966 that the Sammy's fish box story began. And right next to the fish box is the fish market. And what it used to be was a 26-seater snack bar, which is now a 500-seater restaurant. And just here as we're reaching the end, we have Lobster Box and Tony's Pier to your right. Oh, this is a nice alternative to outdoor eating. It's kind of like still outdoor, but not quite. And here we go at the end. So this is Belden Point, the end of the City Island strip. And you can relax here, as you can see, take pictures, sit on a bench. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the City Island tour. And until next time, peace and love.